NFTs are all the craze right now with the growing interest in cryptocurrency. Among them, NFT games are getting popular day by day because of their gameplays, designs, user-friendly space, etc. These games are not only used for entertainment purposes but also for income, so the pro gamers are more attracted towards these crypto games, and even some YouTubers who stream their games choose these over normal games most of the time. Let's look at some of the famous NFT games which are beneficial to get into right now. Number 1. Guppy Gang. Guppy Gang is an NFT game created by the team of the Untamed Isles, another popular crypto game that involves monster taming. The monsters in this game, the Untamed Isles, are the Guppy of the Guppy Gang. Guppy is what makes the Untamed Isles what it is today, as it was the first monster to be created in this game. After becoming popular and having their own online community, Guppy became the mascot of the game, and therefore the team decided to give these adorable monsters with cute faces a big flipper for feet, considering they're a hybrid of fish and a pug, and a heart of pure gold, their own platform. Now they're not only a monster or mascot of the Untamed Eyes, but also they have their own accessories, games, and are now prepared to get their own tamers too. The Guppies are described as a hybrid between a fish and a pug, a fish pug that gets bigger when they're angry and small and round in shape and bite whenever they can. There are only 10,000 Guppy monsters generated as of right now as Genesis NFTs. Major NFTs start their journey as a token and then move forward to release a game based on that, but the Guppy Gang team decided to do it the other way. This project, the Guppy Gang project, is based on the game world of the Untamed Isles as a series of NFTs. The Untamed Isles is a game first ad. The Guppy Gang will further assemble with the game, making this project one of a kind. As a Guppy Gang player, token handlers will get benefited in various ways, such as they can decorate their houses with an in-game portrait of their own Guppy. They get monthly NFT tickets for the Guppy Paradise Fair, an in-game event where the carnival theme to win some rare NFT items. If lucky, they can also get an interval game key to the original game of Untamed Isles and any future Fat Loot Studio games. Fat Loot Studio is the developer of the original game with the idea of games built by gamers for gamers. The Untamed Isles. They also get priority for Genesis on any future new Fat Loot Studios NFT release. If they choose the Guppy Gang, token holders can also sell their tickets to 2 other users. Number 2. The Missing Frontier. The Missing Frontier is a person-versus-person online community-driven game whose aim is to run competitions worldwide. There are different features in the game, such as a black box, which gives 2 random flash blocks. Flash block is an ability that can be used during the in-game face-to-face battle of the Frontier game. Flash blocks can be categorized as shields, tricks, or weapons, which can be used for either attacking or defecting your sector. To play this game properly, the user should own at least 1 set of any block. It can be a flash block or a glitched block. A glitch block is the ultimate weapon of the player, with extreme power, with a much larger cooldown time than the flash blocks. The glitch blocks can be found on the glitch page of the game. Despite being the in-game items used to play, the blocks have other special features too, where you can either merge the flash blocks or upgrade them, and even craft exclusive customized flash blocks for yourself. The game token is still not finished and under development, keeping in mind other utilities such as royalties, governance, etc. Some of the residing utilities of these game tokens are airdrops, copyrights, in-game utility features, valuation, etc. The funds invested in the game right now are spent in the project, and for the contributors, where 50% of the fund goes to the project development, which includes game tokens, and the other 50% of the fund goes to the rewards that the players will get, including even physical merch. The game will be available to the early adopters of the game by early 2022 for alpha access. The beta access will be available soon after the release of alpha access. Number 3. Cryowar. Cryowar is an NFT real-time multiplayer person-versus-person arena game developed on the Solana network in Unreal Engine. It is a combination of traditional gaming that adds the best part of the blockchain gaming world, such as NFT, DAO, voting, decentralized finance, or DeFi. It creates a gaming system with a mechanism that develops staking with the gameplay, allowing the users to get better rewards by increasing the in-game experience and skill levels. The final aim of this project is to create a multi-blockchain metaverse with medieval themes without any boundary. It has different features such as cross-platform multiplaying function, eat different and unique characters, gameplay based on skill. Cryowar will take full advantage of Unreal Engine's graphic power in bringing the PC-level graphics of approximately 120 frames per second to the user's smartphone. The play sessions on this platform will not take more than 30 minutes of the day to complete a match. The most extreme battles will cost approximately 3 minutes or even less than 3 minutes, which makes the game a lot more exciting and interesting for the players. In Cryowar, there are heroes with godlike technology who clashed with the enemies on sacred battlegrounds, having unique skills, playstyles, and stories associated with them. They can be paired to customize the powers and to win over the enemies on the battlefield. The different heroes are ACS Heavy, which is introduced as a walking fortress with unparalleled power, who uses ancient tricks and the killing firepower of different gods. They are long-range type players. Valkyrie, named after the myth of spirits who holds the soul of any fallen powerful warrior and help them to get to the afterlife. They have dance-like movements which will help lure rivals and then finish them off easily using their blades. They are close combat type players. Centurion is a holy warrior who is skilled in using both the gun and the sword. They use the technology of gods, which helps in cleansing the heresy and righteous fire. They are medium-range type players. Number 4. Space Misfits. Space Misfits is a 3D space game with a multiplayer option, which was built using the Engine blockchain technology, which gives the users the opportunity to earn while playing. That is, play to earn. The game has 2 versions. For now, one of the versions allows the player to explore the space filled with fights with non-playing characters or NPCs, mine asteroids, building ships, buying different materials from the market. The current version plays still in testing in a simple alpha version. In the alpha version, the users can upgrade by purchasing the blueprints available in the store. The different blueprint NFTs available are Striker and Deathkiss. It's a free-to-play game that requires nothing to purchase for the playing, but if the player wants to support the development process, they can purchase NFTs from the store. The player can simply open the official website for Space Misfit and download the game. Since it's a free-to-play game, the user just needs a PC Windows to play. As mentioned above, Space Misfit is an earn-to-play game, so the player earns in-game currency called bits from different things that they do in the game. Being a trader or even a hunter of NPC non-playing characters can get you bits. The further upgraded versions of the game will allow the user to exchange the in-game currency bits for the game tokens ERC20, which can be further sold for exchange later in the date. In the current version, the player gun on a set of NFTs by playing Space Misfits alongside playing the in-game drops.